Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins to buy here in the month of February. So obviously this year is already rolling on by and we're already in the second month. So here we're going to be looking at opportunities that we've caught on to here in the past few months as the market has been pulling back down, but now we're seeing a little bit of a recovery here, obviously in the crypto market and the stock market. Stock market has been booming with lots of great earnings in the market, with Apple, Google, and many other companies destroying earnings in the past few weeks, and now crypto is obviously making a little bit of a comeback as well. So in the past 24 hours, we're up about 1.31% here. If we take a look at Bitcoin at around 20.3 billion in volume, 12.5 billion for Ethereum, Bitcoin is pretty much flat and Ethereum is up about 1%. We see altcoins are, up about 1% to 4% here on Solana. So Solana had a huge move here in the past few days. And if you guys actually stick around to the channel, I will be making a lot of interesting content surrounding Solana in the upcoming weeks. So stay tuned for that because there's going to be some interesting stuff happening. We have, Avalanche here, 4%. Some of them are even down here. We see some up and down 1% or so, obviously outliers. And then, some are just flat. So things are going all over the place, guys. Before we get into this content, smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you buying in the month of February. Let's aim for 50 plus likes, guys. So crypto bubbles here in the past 7 days or so. The market is looking pretty green. We're seeing a lot of green here. There's a lot of green here. QSP, so quantum stamp, is up about 135%. We have Joe here, which is up about 77%. We have another one here. What is this? Constitution DAO, it's up 105%. Never looked into this coin right here, but we're seeing some other coins here up 55%. Mana, so Decentraland is making a nice move here, 20.4% with highs up here at around 284 or so. So we're seeing obviously the metaverse coins come back again. Very nice to see. Could we see a round 2 in the metaverse plays that we saw around the October-November time period? So let's get into it, guys. The first altcoin on this list is going to be Binance Coin, BNB. This one's up about 1% here in the past 24 hours, trading at $384. In the past week, this one's trading flat, so up about that 1%. 1 month chart, we're down 27%. And then on the 1 year chart, we're still up over 669%, outperforming, Bitcoin by a long shot. So this was trading at around, let's just say about $50, $55 or so last year at this time. Hit highs here in May at around 660, pulled back down with the market to about 250 at one point. Try to break through the all-time high area here in November around Thanksgiving, and it couldn't break through. So it didn't break through that all-time area. It was very, very close to that $690-ish area. Couldn't break through, and then obviously we saw a sell-off with the market, and it just continued to go down lower, lower, lower until it hit a previous support level here around this $330 level, and that's pretty much where we bounced off of from the bottom. So after that bottom, we're seeing a little bit of a comeback, hopefully. Obviously, Binance Coin is a cryptocurrency used to pay fees on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. Fees paid in Binance Coin on the exchange receive a discount, so they don't have any of their information here on this website. But obviously, if we actually scroll right here, we can see that the market cap for Binance Coin is 63.1 billion here, which is nice to know. I think there's a glitch going on with the website where it's not showing the market cap or any of the volume or any of the data as well. But that is what Binance Coin's market cap is, and it is the third biggest alt or coin in general, right after Bitcoin and Ethereum. So Binance Coin, I believe we're going to have a comeback here in 2022 and potentially get back to those all-time high areas, which gives us about a 100% upside potential on this coin. So that's our first altcoin. Second altcoin is going to be Avalanche, AVAX. So if we take a look at Avalanche, this one has a 17.9 billion market cap. Currently, it is up about 4% here in the past 24 hours, trading at around $73. In the past week, we're up 6%. Past month, we're down 37%. And then on the 1 year chart, 439% in the green. It was trading at $13 last year, hit a high here in February of last year in 2021 at $55. Pulled back down with the market to down about $10. Hit new highs at over $130 here around Thanksgiving. So from $10 to $130, we were up over 1,200%, around $120 per coin profit, which is insane. If you would have invested about $1,000, you would have made over $10,000 in profit. We obviously pulled back down here in December to about $80, came back up to highs of $120. So that's about a 50% jump right there just in December. And then from that area, we continued to push on lower and lower to a previous support level here close to this area around $60, $55 that we made kind of in October time period, and also a period here where we had our resistance in February. So previous resistance levels become new support levels, which is exactly what we see right there with Avalanche. Then we look at down here, 68% buy activity, 32% sell activity. It is ranked the number 9 coin on the list, and typical hold time is going to be 22 days. Avalanche describes itself as an open programmable smart contract platform for decentralized applications. AVAX is used to pay transaction fees and can be staked to secure the network. Avalanche is compatible with Solidity, Ethereum's programming language, and can be used to deploy custom private or public blockchains as subnets. So very interesting to see that one as well. You can obviously stake, if we take a look here, AVX rewards can be earned by staking directly on the Avalanche network. So staking is a huge part of cryptocurrencies. A lot of people that are in crypto for the long term tend to stake their coins because they can receive, let's just say, a few percent of interest kind of on their coin for just by holding them right there and getting some payment back. It's kind of like in the stock market. If you're in the stock market and you're not familiar with crypto, it's kind of like getting a dividend. Pretty much, you lock in your crypto and you're getting a certain percentage back. So it's kind of like a dividend where you hold a stock and you're getting back 1, 2, 3% or something like that, depending on the stock. So Avalanche definitely looking juicy, and we have a lot of upside potential to get back to those areas at around $50 upside from the area that we're trading at right now. And then last but not least, the number 3 coin on this list is going to be Cardano, also known as ADA. So ADA is at 36.1 billion market cap right now. It is up about 2.5% here in the past 24 hours, trading at $1.08, hitting highs at $1.10 at one point. In the past week, we're up about 1.7%. Past month, we're down 20%. And then on the 1-year chart, we're up 152%. So this one was trading at around 41 cents, hit highs here in the beginning of 2021 in March. Consolidated for a little bit, hit new highs here at around $2.30 in May. Pulled back down with the market to about $1, and then from that dollar range, we hit all-time highs at over $3 here in September. And then ever since September, we've been on a downtrend of about 66 to 65% or so from the high to the low now. So a lot of people bought in at around the $1 range. I know a lot of bag holders personally that are getting in very, very deep into Cardano and hoping that it makes a recovery in the next few months, obviously. So at around $1 range right now, it's looking very interesting. We have 73% buy activity, 27% sell activity. It is ranked the number 5 coin right behind Solana, Binance, obviously, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Solana is a big competitor up there in the top 5 area as well. Typical hold time is going to be 86 days. Now, Cardano is a blockchain platform built on a proof-of-stake consensus protocol that validates transactions without high energy costs. Development on Cardano uses the Haskell programming language, which is described as enabling Cardano to pursue evidence-based development for unparalleled security and stability. So, if you guys take a look down here, more information on Cardano. How do I store Cardano? Well, you can hold Cardano on Coinbase. Where can you buy it? Well, obviously, you can buy it on many, many different platforms down here as well. Can you stake it? Well, Cardano's goal is to be, the most environmentally sustainable blockchain platform. It uses a unique proof of stake consensus mechanism called Outer Bros, as opposed to the energy-intensive proof of work system currently used by Bitcoin. So there's obviously always the opportunities out there that you guys can do, and staking, once again, is a huge part of cryptocurrencies, and Cardano is a big player here that we're hoping that can bounce back, and they have so much more behind it. If you guys actually dive deeply into Cardano, you can find a lot of information and catalysts and different reasons why we believe that Cardano could come back to that $2 area, $3 area, and continue to actually go even higher after that. I could definitely go into depth and make a video on that as well if you guys are interested in seeing that on Cardano. So guys, those are going to be our 3 altcoins on this list. Now let's take a quick look at the rest of the list. So Dogecoin here, still trading around this 14 cents level. Doge is just trading sideways, guys. They've just been trading here for weeks now. Literally in the past week, we're trading around this level. Past month, we're on a downtrend. Overall, we're on a downtrend, obviously, from those highs from the SNL show. Dogecoin has been on the downhill trajectory since then. So Doge not looking good. Bitcoin here up or actually down about 0.5%, trading at 38,000. Hit highs of 39,000 at one point, which we haven't seen in a while. In the past week, we're up 2%. Past month, we're down 18%. The last time we were at above 40,000 was about about 10 days ago or so, but it feels like it's been forever because we were down here at lows of about 30,000 in the past year. We're only up 8% here on Bitcoin, and we're around $30,000 away from the all-time high area. Obviously 77% buy activity and 23% sell activity on Bitcoin. Ethereum here up about 0.5%. In the past week we're up 11%, and then on the 1-month chart we're down about 26%, but we're not even close to that 3,000 area that we were trading at. But we did hit lows down here close to 2,000 at one point. So from that bounce, we're seeing a nice bounce from that 2,000 area, which is nice. So we're up about 82% here in the past year or so, and we're about $2,000 away from the all-time high area. So it's looking, pretty decent. It's not as bad as Bitcoin's pain lately. We have 77% buy activity and 23% sell activity on Ethereum, and obviously we believe that cryptocurrencies will make a comeback here into the end of the year, and in the next few months, we'll have a turnaround, especially hopefully towards the summer and going into the fall. I believe we're going to have a bull type rally once again, and these could be opportunities to get in. So there's definitely some stuff you guys need to research and do your own research and figure out if it fits your criteria. As always, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, make sure you understand what you're getting into. Smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you buying this month. I hope you guys enjoyed and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.